welcome to my channel. I hope to intrigue your thoughts on why, where, and how these masks came to be. This mask is called Vejigante. So the term Vejigante derives from the word vejiga, which is a bladder, and gigante, which means grand or great or giant. Vejigante masks are cultural symbols of Puerto Rico that can represent different meanings depending on their region. They are associated with festivals such as carnivals, Fiesta de Santiago Apostol, and other celebrations. The Vejigante character originated in medieval Spain, where the masks were used in processions to honor Saint James and to represent the battle against the Moors. The term Moors refers to a group of people in North Africa. It was closely identified with Muslims and Northern Africans who moved into Spain during the Middle Ages. In the past, these masks were made from cow bladders, gross, I know, that were stuffed and left in the sun to dry and harden. After, they then were filled with beans and seed. They were painted with bright colors to blend with the Taino culture. These masks represent resistance to imperialism, warding off the spirits, and the ongoing battle of good and evil. The Carnival de Vejigante is an annual celebration held at the Barrio Playa in Ponce, Puerto Rico. These celebrations can last 3, maybe 5 days. That's a little bit of history. I hope this intrigued your curiosity to find out more about these masks and enjoy this little bit of history that I put together. So I won't bore you anymore with history. If you like it, like, subscribe, share. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.